very thankful again dahil nakasama namin siya, yung experience na binigay niya sa amin. But again, we need to move forward. We need to kumbaga maging mag-work yung decision namin to get Shabazz.
How's your new import so far?
Yeah, medyo still on the adjustment period, but we saw a lot of potential on this guy. We know naman how we play, and I think he can help us a lot down the stretch. I mean, hopefully, on these last 4 games of eliminations, makuha namin yung chemistry with him, yung locals, and then hopefully na makapasok kami sa playoffs. And then in the playoffs, that's a different story. That's why we want him to be here, because we know na pagdating doon, we need a guy that can rely on, especially yung mga crunch time.
So, si Glenn, coach, anong status niya? Wala lang.
Si Glenn isa nandun pa sa namin, sa reserve injured player namin. But right now we're more on focus on Shabazz, on how we right away kumbaga makuha niya yung system namin, yung tinatakbo namin, yung team concept, and yun, yung chemistry. But we're very thankful and appreciate namin si Glenn sa lahat ng tinulong namin. Is very, in terms of attitude, character, I mean, wala akong hands off ako sa kanya, wala akong masasabi kasi he's very professional, and very thankful again dahil nakasama namin siya, yung experience na binigay niya sa amin. But again, we need to move forward. We need to kumbaga maging mag-work yung decision namin to get Shabazz on this time of the year or in this time of the conference.
Ano, nakalipad na siya, coach?
I think yes, yesterday.
Okay. So, okay na si Shabazz, FIBA clearance,
Yes,
okay na.
yes.
Kailan lang?
2 nights ago.
2 nights ago. Okay. So, yun, do you think he's the Siyempre, nakita mo na natin laro niya, high scorer, prolific scorer. Do you think he's the... Yun nga, bukod sa nabanggit mo, he can deliver in the crunch time. Do you think he's finally the right import for you?
I think bagay siya sa amin. The way, the activity, the high level activity of Shabazz and his energy. And I think yun nga, we've been to close games for the last for when we face elite teams like Meralco and Toketex. We know that we can compete, and we need the guy that can rely on the certain time of the game. We need to give him the ball, or he can create for his teammates or for himself. So siguro yun yung mga kailangan namin down the stretch and then in the playoffs. So, but I think yung energy niya, yung experience niya, plus yung leadership niya, nasanay siya mag-import. He's all over the world, international, from the last 6-7 years. And bago nga siya pumunta dito, katatapos lang niya ng Venezuela. So, I think yung experience niya yung malaking bagay. Paano niya dadalhin yung team namin.